Evening time
you say, Mbuedona, Mbuedona.
At the bedtime.
At the bedtime you say, Kachifo.
Okay.
Kachifo. Kachifo. At the bedtime you say, Kachifo.
When it was your turn, they clapped for you, right? Now, Korono Haka. Korono Haka. Imagine Korono Haka. Good. Yeah. Your voice, I heard your voice. It's so beautiful. So don't hide it.
Okay.
Okay?
Now, I have a question. Enwere m ajụjụ means question. Enwere m ajụjụ. So ajụjụ mbụ, kedu ihe a na-akpọ father n'Igbo? Father n'Igbo. Nna. Wow, Makise. Others, I hope you are getting it. You are learning.
Yes.
Father in Igbo is called what?
And also mother.
Nna. No. Mother, yes, and also mother in Igbo is called what? Ne. It just father is Nna. Father is Nna. But my father is Nna. Do you understand? Father is Nna. My father Nna. Mother is Ne. My mother is Ne. Do you understand? Mother is what? Ne. My mother is Ne. So father is who? Is what? Father. Nna. Father. Father. Ne.
Mother.
Ne.
Mother.
Nna.
Father.
Father. Father. Nna.
Father.
Father. Father. Mother. Father. Mother. Yes, mother. Okay. Mother. Mother. Father. Father. What's that? Nna. Father. 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 Mother. Ne.
Just confused us.
I'm not confused.
She's not. She just wants to know if you know.
Okay. Father. Nna. Nna. Father. 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 I'm not confusing you again. Mother. 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 Let me confuse you again. Nna.
Father.
Yes. Yes. Father. Nna. Father. Ne.
Mother.
Oh. You think? Yes, that is verbal reasoning in Igbo language.
Yes.
Yes, now. You see, you have verbal reasoning in Igbo language. You have to listen, think. Yeah. You know you answer. So, father is what? Father. Father. Nna. Father. Father. Mother. Mother. Father. Father. Mother. Mother. Father. Mother. Father. Mother. Okay, now can we sing like this? Let's sing to our father and mother. Let's sing to our mother, our father and mother first. Now we'll sing today. Sing for them like this. Ezinam kedu, Ezinam kedu, Ezinam kedu, kedu kimere. Oh yeah, let's go. Ezinam kedu, Ezinam kedu, Ezinam kedu, kedu kimere. Adimumma, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, kedu kimere. Adimumma, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, kedu kimere. Let's sing for a mother. Ezinem kedu, ezinem kedu, ezinem kedu, kedu kimere. Adimumma, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, kedu kimere. Ezinna, ezinna kedu, ezinna kedu, ezinna kedu, kedu kimere. Adimumma, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, kedu kimere. Ezinem, ezinem kedu, ezinem kedu, ezinem kedu, kedu kimere. Adimumma, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu. Yes. Kedu kimere. Now, can you sing it? Okay, you cannot sing it. Oh. Since you said no, man, it's not going. Can you? No, I asked all of them. You can sing it. You can sing
I will
it.
try. I will
Okay,
try.
I want somebody, if you want to try, I want somebody to try with Ezinam Kedu, another person. Ezinam Kedu. So one person sings for She first said that she can do it. You understand? Let me start. Mom, Abi, Ezinam. Is it what you want to sing? Oh yeah, let me count for you. Otu, Abo, Ato, Bido.
No, you don't slap. Why just church? Una bambo.
Kedu, ezine, kedu, ezine,
Kimere. Adimumma dalu,
adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu.
kedu kimere. Oh, banyanya, banyanya. Call me.
Kọrọ ni aka.
Don't you go like Nna. Nna, okay. Otu, Abo, Ato, Bido.
Ezinna.
Ezina,
Ezinam.
ezina,
Kedu.
kedu, ezina, kedu, ezina, kedu,
Kedu kimere. Adimumma. Adimumma.
Adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu.
Kedu kimere. Akoni aka. Who else wants to try? Who else wants to try? Oh yeah, which one? Nnem or Nnam? Nnem or Nnam? Which one? Nnem. Okay. Ngwa. Otu, Abo, Ato, Bido. Ezinem oh yeah. Kedu. Kedu. Kedu kimere. Adimumma. Good. Kedu kimere. Oh, abane, koni aka. Alas. Can anybody try?
Try. Bambo.
Okay, let's take it once again. This is not the end of this song. Tomorrow we complete the song, but let's Try again.
And igbo hana haga makwaya.
Okay, others. They used to
And
hide
they know
their
it.
knowledge. Yes, I know.
They know it.
I know.
Go upstairs, they display.
That
You
is
see,
that.
I know.
It.
They know it. They will know it.
See.
They will not talk.
On
They will
our
be
church,
forced to talk.
They go upstairs, they
They know what they're doing. I know they know it.
Even though Mwaka di quiet to Tano. Ah.
They are recording.
Yeah, hammer, eh?
They are like tape recorder. They are recording.
Ana makuko eh.
I know they know it. They will just keep quiet. See how quiet they are. So when you get to your room, you now start shouting, jumping on the bed. As in there. Come from what is in them? I'll come and pee on your door. Know what I will get. As in them. I'll come and put my ear on your door. Let me know what I will hear. Allah. Yes. Okay. So everybody now, let's do it together. Otu, abo, ato, bido, ezinam, kedu, ezinam, kedu. Open your mouth.
Ezinam,
kedu kimere. Adimumma,
Dalu.
Adimumma dalu. Kedu kimere. Ezinem, ezinem. Kedu, ezinem. Kedu, ezinem. Kedu, kedu kimere. Adimumma, adimumma dalu. Adimumma dalu. Adimumma dalu. Kedu kimere. Ezinam, ezinam. Kedu, ezinam. Kedu, ezinam. Kedu, kedu kimere. Adimumma dalu. Adimumma dalu. Adimumma dalu. Kedu kimere.
So otage shi we go ya now, eh? I ga go nke gi. I masu. Okay. I be there back. So we are starting from here. We take her as mom. So for girl, but yawa na bu nwa nwanyị. Ọ bụ nwa nwanyị, yawa bụ nwanyị. Eh? Nke a bụ nwoke. Nke a bụ nwoke. Nke a bụ nwoke. Eh? So I gonna do one. Genti. Listen. Okay? I got you. Ezine. Kedu. Ezine. Kedu. Watch me. What I'm doing is what you will do. Ezine. Kedu. Ezine. Kedu. Ezine. Kedu. Kedu kimere. You will respond. Adimumma dalu. Adimumma dalu.
This one a drum.
Adimumma dalu. You will now turn to her.
This one a drum.
Kedu kimere.
Me in the audience.
Okay? I gora ya. Give her the video. Gora ya. Ezine. Kedu. Ezine. Kedu. When you are just singing it, she will respond. Adimumma dalu. Adimumma dalu. Adimumma dalu. Machi, in agency. Once you are done singing, Adimumma dalu, you come to her, you say, Kedu kimere. Then she will pick it up from there. She will not sing to Olaku. I ga-agụrụ Olaku. I ga-ajụzi Olaku. Ezine. Kedu. Okay?
It's okay now.
Unu gee ntị.
Ego nna ya.
Anytime you sleep, you don't
Nwanne m nwoke kedu. Nwanne m nwoke kedu. Nwanne m nwoke. Where's nwanne m nwoke? You know my brother. That is nwanne m nwoke. That is the meaning of nwanne m nwoke. My brother. Nwanne m nwoke kedu. Nwanne m nwoke kedu. Nwanne m nwoke kedu. kedu kime. Come one name one. My sister. One name one. Kedu. One name one. Kedu. You know my sister. One name one. Kedu. Kedu kime.
Bido.
Come and wash your face. Come.
Go.
Want to sleep? Huh? Go up. Go around the class. Huh? No, don't stay here. Don't stay here. Go up and sleep. Sorry. Why you? But go near. See your turn. Makuze. No, if you want to stay there, you sit here.
Okay. Machi, you are a video. You got Korea. Anything name. Kedu. Okay? Korea.
It's not sweet though.
Kedu. Zaya. Jonica. Kedu kimere. You got Juliana. Kedu kimere. Joya.
Kedu kimere.
Guzerea. Everything. Kedu. Everything. Kedu. Yeah, Gloria. Kedu kimere.
Respond.
Adimu madalu. Denia. Donika. Kedu kimere.
Don't go downstairs.
Metiaka. Where? Kedu kimere. Go okay. Onye nke a bụ nwoke. Akwa? So ị ga-agụ ya. Ezinna. Gụọrọ ya.
Raise your voice. Shout it.
Okay, chere. Okwuchukwu na-agụrụ Olisadebe egwu. Akwa ya? Ọ na-ekene ya. Akwụnụ hụrụ otu Okwuchukwu si ele Olisa n'anya. Olisa na-elekwa ya n'anya. Achọghị m nke unu ga na-agụ egwu itinye isi gị otu a. Put your head down and be singing. No. When you are talking, even in school, at home, you are being taught that when you are communicating, you look at the person you are communicating with, right? So all same thing kind of men are as all here na Igbo, okay? So Igbo kind in asusu ine nonya ahụ n'anya unu kọrọ ha abụọ aka clap for them. Kọrọ ha abụọ aka. Okay, Okwuchukwu gụọ egwu ahụ ọzọ. Ezinna gụọ ya. Ezinna.
Speak out.
Ezinna.
Job praise, we can do Kimere. Olisadebe job praise, can do Kimere. Praise. Gora in Kegi. Goronya. Goram.
Wait, are we doing it all?
Kedu. Muaga Goro.
Kedu kimere. Adimumma.
Adimumma dalu. Adimumma dalu. Adimumma dalu. Kedu kimere. Alright.
Ezi nwanne m nwoke kedu. Nwanne m nwanyị kedu. Nwanne m nwoke kedu. Kedu kimere. Adimumma.
Adimumadanu, 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 Keduki mere. I call Wayaka, clap for yourself, clap for ourselves.
Yes, sir. I'm going to make live.
Good job.
Okay. Ọkwa ihe a bụ ihe nwere na mgbede a. Ọ bụrụ na o nwesịrị ndị ya akacha ihe ha akacha dị. Onye nkụzi, unu ihe nwere. Ma, ya bụ so ihe a bụ ihe nwere taa. Olu echi, ya bụ nwa okwu ya. So ihe a bụ ihe nwere taa. Ọ bụrụ na o nwere ndị ya akacha. Ọhe ngwa tinyesịrị ha. Yes, exactly.
Udochukwu na Mmachi. Udochukwu na Mmachi. Udochukwu na Mmachi.
Igbo 2 side.
Oh, yeah,
I want to watch Igbo 2.
Now watch Igbo 2.
So kind of Igbo 2, okay?
Yeah! Igbo 2.
Okay, Charlie, Igbo 2.
Igbo 2. Igbo 2.
Igbo 2. So who Igbo 2s? Okay. Igbo 2s.
Igbo 2.
Igbo.
Udochukwu.
Igbo 2. Igbo 2. Igbo 2. I want insects. I want this one.
Baby of the Kedu?
Okay.
Yeah.
What's in that part of the body? No.
Adverts are so
All us are so quiet too. They're quiet here.
Used to hear what? So from downstairs, someone talk about 2 years old. I like noodles. Yes. Because I used to but the one I only cut out but the only one I want is the onion. But don't like onion. I said I like onion. It is my sister that doesn't like onion. Yes.
Ụtụtụ ọma na ụmụaka. Kedu unu? Aga m akụziri unu maka akụkụ ahụ anyị dị iche iche. Ngwakwuonu ihe m kwuru. Nke a bụ ntutu. Nke a bụ ntutu. Nke a bụ isi. Nke a bụ isi. Nke a bụ anya. Nke a bụ anya. Nku anya. Nku anya. Nke a bụ imi. Nke a bụ imi. Nke a bụ ọnụ. Nke a bụ ọnụ. Nke a bụ eze. Nke a bụ eze. Nke a bụ ire. Nke a bụ ire. Everybody.
When they are playing the song, you move the dance.
Hi. Do you feel sad that your children do not know how to speak the Igbo language? Or are you an adult and you feel embarrassed you do not know how to communicate in the Igbo language? Join us now in having a language all these classes any day of the week from anywhere you are in the world. Contact us now. Darling.
Ihe mụta ugbu a gbasara akụkụ ara ike
kedunu? Aga m akụziri unu maka akụkụ ahụ anyị dị iche iche. Ngwa kwuonu ihe m. Olu, nke a bụ olu, nke a bụ ugwu, nke a bụ ugwu, nke a bụ aka, nke a bụ aka, mkpịsị aka, mkpịsị aka, mbọ aka, mbọ aka, ọbọ aka, ọbọ aka, nke a bụ afọ, nke a bụ afọ, nke a bụ ukwu, nke a bụ ukwu, nke a bụ apata.
You can get to learn about the language of online classes. About someone at each other. By now,
Do you feel sad that your children do not know how to speak the Igbo language? Or are you...
Hey, you are seeing yourself at that place, right?
You
can't do the two at a time.
You are seeing yourself there.
You can't do the two at a time. You can't be
No, we're not doing short. Yes, I want this, but I want this one. No, that's how it's just. Yeah, because.
Why use double?
Wait, do you see that big black wire? I think it's connected to the. Okay. Use.
I
No, I don't like that. Another one.
Ekelendi Igbo, Igbo greetings and salutations. Igbo people are known for their respectful.
Whatever you
Oh,
are
yeah,
doing,
I know. I want
Don't
to.
issue knife.
Hello, Zai Shekele.
That's what you are doing.
The buying Ututu.
Listen
Ututu,
to
how do you
what
say
they
good
stop,
morning?
Whatever that is distract, how dare your teachers?
How do you greet? Afternoon is what? Good evening is what? Morning, good morning is what? Good afternoon. Good evening. Olisajebe.
Good night. Good night is what?
Good night.
Kachifo.
Machi. Yeah, this side. Geba. Olisajebe, Geba. Olisajebe, good morning. Good afternoon.
You're not learning.
Gini bu good evening. Gini bu good night. Unu kora Olisadebe aka. Kora mi aka. Oye meni je egwu egwu. Maki maya ije na egwu egwu. It's not time for play. It's not because you know it, you go and be playing. Okay? Brochegi no jodu. Brochegi no jodu. Mmachi. Yeah. Mmachi, gini bu good morning. Gini bu good afternoon. Guinea boo, good evening. Happy week. Guinea boo, good evening. Guinea boo, good evening. Igbo machi. Guinea boo, good evening. Is that what is good evening? Oh yeah, good evening. Guinea boo, good evening. Guinea boo, good night. Not Kachifo. I know.
Greetings and salutations.
Okay,
They greet to show respect. Knowledge, hierarchy.
This one, we already watched this one at over.
Oledo, Guinea boo, good morning.
Guinea boo, good morning. Guinea boo, good afternoon.
Guinea boo, good afternoon. Guinea boo, good night. Guinea boo, good evening.
Good afternoon.
Good evening, boo, Guinea.
Good afternoon. Good evening.
So good evening, Bedoma. Guinea boo, good night. Kachifo.
Sorry.
Udo Chibu. Bieva. Machi. Bieva. Ozioma. Bieva. I am Chabe and Amuta. I am Chabe. These players, I am talking and we go forever. Happy to
Goodbye as well.
Gemunti. Happy to tia.
The reason why I brought you here.
I can now move. I am Chabe and Amu. Unegu.
We're still learning.
Machi. Machi.
Okay,
Machi.
you want to eat?
Yes.
Yeah, I know you want to eat it. Don't say yes.
The three of you.
I've
In and out of my. You are doing well. When did you start playing during class?
I said I played.
When?
12:45.
I'm not asking when you play. Stop it.
Share.
Oshinuya. You bring your chair.
What did I call you about?
Okay.
But you like that guy watch? Ozzy, what?
If you know where your
Or
chair is,
express
go and
gratitude.
sit there.
His greetings
If
include
you know where your chair is, go and sit there.
Walachi, Ebidioma, good afternoon, Mbedioma, good evening, Kachibo, good night, Ndewo, hi, or hello, Nela,
Yeah.
thank you, Tau, well done, no, welcome. This documentary is brought to you by
No Chegeba.
Snack. Who's a snack? Being a snack isn't just about your words.
Remember, you might give it. I didn't touch on a phone. And what tell me?
Okay.
Go back to that Igbo thing.
Yay!
Nyama had this thing.
Igbo too.
What's when she just said?
I want insects. I want insects one.
Egun soup.
Insects.
Lay up stuff. That one.
Anka.
Mba.
What one is this?
The second one. Yeah. ya ka ina metaka.
Okay. Okay.
So, okay, play again, please.
Spell it.
Everybody the second time because they will learn a lot from you.
Yes.
I like it.
Oh, who said I like it?
Me.
Oh,
I
yeah,
like
that's good.
it.
That's wonderful.
Mommy, I like it.
Ola, do you like it?
I
You like it? Hey, mana la ulo ebe mụta na-atọ ụtọ. Mụta na-atọ ụtọ nwa a na-arahụ ụra.
Supere molo, supere moko. Aina koya fire no igbo. Ora no mudaga. Supere munne. Aina koya moda no igbo. Supere munne. Aina koya fire no igbo. Supere munne. Aina koya food no igbo. Supere moche. Aina koya chair no igbo. Obo gini igbo. Ike o. Ajago. Umaka.
Another spray up, eh? I saw another spray there. But I didn't have the other one. I don't know about that one, but put it. Let's see how it goes.
This is a really long one.
If you love this video, please like, share, and subscribe.
Let me know whether it's longer. Okay, I didn't.
This one is like repeating words, but you don't have to try to repeat the repeat button.
And today I have got exciting news. Mmụta dị ụtọ, yes, Mmụta dị ụtọ is now on Patreon. Imagine sneaking into Mmụta dị ụtọ, become Africa. Just send us a DM and get your copy today.
Repeat what you say in English.
Okay, when you are reading your ABC in Igbo, the English ABC, you know, this is letter A, right? In Igbo, it's not pronounced as A, it's pronounced as A. Okay?
They know understand.
Yeah.
You go and do like
Supermoku. Good. So Tisha Boya, she were there. Oh, the way you pronounce it is the way you will write it, right? In your English word, when you want to spell, you spell according to the sound of the letter, right? Yes. So, the way you pronounce before you spell is the way you will also pronounce in Igbo before you can write it down. That's why we had to teach you the ABD. Okay? Oye kwatara iji kuzere unu ABD. Otisha akpọ ABD. Otisha akpọ ya. Otanki geshi wee dee ya. The way you pronounce it is the way you are writing it. If I say egg, you will say egg, right? Now, oku, ok, oki, oku, akwaya. So ngwagi now, superemu oku. If I ask you to spell oku, you will use the sound to spell it for me. Okay? Gini bu koro hunaka. Supere munne. Nna kwan supere munna. Oziama supere moche.
Ochi.
Oledo supere mu. Oh. Oledo iko. Unu kọrọ ya aka, kọrọ na Oledo aka, kọrọ na Ozioma aka. Ozioma. Gịnị bụ ihe a? Efere. Onye ga-asụpụrụ m efere? Olaku. Suprai ngaji. Bido. Bido na imaya. Akwa? Oledo. You guys up to one nigga wine. Will you help your sister? Suprai ngaji. Suprai ngaji. Nengi aji. Ngaji. Ngaji.
I can help.
Yeah? Did she tell you she wanted to help her? Allow her to say it herself. Oledo. Wine. Supraing Gadi.
I don't need that my phone. Let me check something. Let me check another thing. Say, oh, the time is over.
Ngagi. Ngaji. Okay? Olaku. Supraing. Ngagi. Ngaji. Okay? Olaku. The one. You good? You want to dance?
Yes.
Dance. Jerry Waka, you don't want to dance this one?
But they're all the same when you skip it all.
Oh, Kofi Kanjana.
Repeat in the
Yeah.
same in one video. What about this one? Nah, I don't. What about this
Children, let's learn Igbo spelling.
Okay, teacher.
Let's begin.
Yeah.
Can you spell Amamasupe? I can spell Amamasupe. Can you spell Amamasupe? I can spell. Can you spell Amamasupe? I can spell Amamasupe. Can you spell Amamasupe? I can spell Amamasupe. 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 Can you spell? I can spell. Can you spell? I can spell. Aki aka. Aki aka. Iki o iko. Iki o iko. Ezi eze. Ezi eze. Uri o ulo. Uri o ulo. Ori o oro. Ori o oro. Azi o azu. Azi o azu. Uzi o uzo. Uzi o uzo. Afi o afo. Afi o afo. Can you spell? Get my basuke. I can spell. I'm a basuke. Can you spell? Get my basuke. I can spell. I'm a basuke. Get my basuke. I'm a basuke. Get my basuke. I'm a basuke. Can you spell? I can spell. Can you spell? I can spell. Uzi o uzo. Uzi o uzo. Uzi e ute. Uzi e ute. Ogi e ogi. Ogi e ogi. Nidi o undo. Nidi o undo. Ahi o aho. Ahi o aho. Ahi a aha. Ahi a aha. Ebi e ebe. Ebi e ebe. Ezi e eze. Ezi e eze. Can you spell? I can spell. 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 O B I O P. O B
Okay. No maka ya tinyere ihe. Ha na-achị ọchị otu ndị na-eleta ha anya si achị ọchị.
Abio. How can you go class so enjoy? Mbọ ndị na-eleta.
Okay. Ele unu chere ime.
Ayo ụbọchị ọzọ ya were
Very good. What else do you guys want to do?
Let's all sleep.
Oh my God. You want to sleep?
Yeah, I
Okay.
don't want to sleep. I want to watch the.
Lisa, David, and then you tell me what do you want to do?
I don't actually know.
You don't actually know. Okay. Sadeve, ask me Sadeve.
I want to watch igbo tunes.
Okuchuku. No, you tell me.
Igbo
tunes.
Yes, like this one. No, not that one. Not insect.
There was a land plagued by blandness. Food had lost its flavor. The tastemaker arrived to restore taste to this land of blandness. All they need is sprinkle, stir, serve. Tastemaker.
fine glasses. Look what you're with each other. Down.
So why credit reflect power? Think of it as your pre-approved spending power. It gives you the flexibility to access funds.
So, gini bu father?
Nah.
Gini bu father? Olisa debe gini bu father? Gini bu mother? Okay. So, gini bu ine ihe ana? What do you call this? Good. Ezioma, what do you call this? Oleda Nolaku, what do you call this? Opui, what do you call this? Family. In a family, we have father, mother, and the children, right?
Yeah.
So, I saw father Bugini, mother Bugini. Then the children, what are they called? Say Umu. Say Umuaka. 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 Then when you call family, Ginibu family. Ndị ezinụlọ. Ezinụlọ. Ndị ezinụlọ. So I were father, which is who? Mother. Children. Umuaka. Children. Umuaka, any Jesus. Umuaka, any Jesus. Have you guys heard of the song before? No. That will be for another day. But also, I am going.
And
Igbo to say
insects.
Oh no, Google.
I want Igbo to insect.
Igbo to
Yes,
Igbo to insect.
Kani
Okay. Stand up, stretch your body, stretch your body. Stand up. So you guys actually want to stretch your body. Stretch. Those exercises in the morning. But leave there. Down this side. Ever. No. Down there, what is going? Are you done stretching? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm done stretching.
You're done stretching.
Yeah, I want to watch this.
Okay.
Oh. I want to watch this.
Not for today, the children are also there.
Yeah.
No, this.
So, during the charity gathering, how many people are going?
No, man, I go to my yard. So don't I get it stuck under the flowers.
Nobody.
But the children are wanting the television.
I want insect. I want 100. Yeah.
Hello, John. What can I do for you? Weather report, stock prices, shopping list. Lights on, lights off. What does this can have that I don't?
Red Bull gives you wings.
Be the group chat hero with exclusive travel deals. Booking.com.
I want to do the time that I don't come. Que quería como animal.
I don't know. Russian, French, English, and
So speak Japanese. Let me see.
The wife of the queen and the beggar. No. Wife of the king. No, this one.
Don't touch the screen. Let me tell you when you haka. Let me read the.
Okay, this one. I've already learned enough of this. Why did it?
The flag will keep for.
You push leave there. Come here and
That first one.
Baby shark.
Okay.
Baby shark.
Okay.
Baby shark.
Okay. Mana kaya kinako kita? Okay.
O nwere akọ m ga-akọrọ unu. Akụkọ anyị nke taa bụ maka nwandanda ya na nduru, otu ha na-abọ si wee bụrụ enyi. O nwere otu mgbe n'otu ehihie anwụ na-acha nke ukwuu. O nwere otu ndanda pụrụ ịgba nri.
Nke a na-eri nri. Tiebụrụ nke izizi ya, nke izizi ya. Nwunye ezi ahụ.
That looks fun.
Nke nwunye ezi ahụ.
This one.
Oti ọyọ, o nwere akụkọ m ga-akọrọ unu, kọrọ anyị na anyị na-ege ntị n'ihe ị na-ekwu ma ọ dị mma.
Okay.
I want baby shark in Igbo. Baby shark in Igbo. Help!
Baby shark in Igbo want to do it. Get in, baby.
Hey, baby shark in Igbo.
See you, Abiko.
Okay.
Well, Igbo one name. Hey, everybody. Igbo baby shark. Oh yeah,
yeah, they have a baby shark for Igbo.
I love them. When you learn your first phone, I bet. Not say mommy. Them mommy. Mpa. That is that. Mpa Musa. Nemuku. My grandmother. Nemuku is the grandmother. Mamuku grandfather. Yeah, grandpa. It has finished. Oh, Bola. That guy is a lot of people. Hey, oh, Bola.
I miss you. Is it real that I like it?
Hey, oh, Bola. I'm not even about this one.
I love to color, and my brand new Igbo coloring book is my favorite new project. I don't want what.
Oh, don't you have no mark on the whole and the book, only who get on the book. And I pay him for me when I pay pending kitchen work. You know, my pay mo. I'm a long kick, you have to look at all
Happy pig is toy. It's a toy. Happy pig is toy.
Oh, don't you have no mark?
Ụmụaka ndewo no.
Maazị Agụ.
Ọkapụkwa m ezi enyi ụnụ Maazị Agụ. Eji m n'aka na ụnụ dị mma. Uduchi na Chisom ana m anụ ebe ụnụ na-enwe obere ọgbaghara. Kee ihe ọwụ.
Chisom nwere apịpị ma ọ chọghị ya chi m azụ. Maazị Agụ, eji m apịpị Udochi na-egwu egwu ọbịa na lụso m ọgụ.
Mana nke bụ eziokwu Chisom. Ọ bụ Udochi nwe ya bụ apịpị.
Ọ bụ ya nwe ya apịpị.
Ọnọdụ ahụ